Hello, and welcome to Altium Designer. In this video, we will show you how to properly license your installation of Altium Designer. Without adequate licensing, you will not be able to open or create any Altium documents, as the menu options for those functions will be grayed out. We will cover the activation of the three Altium Designer license types: on-demand, standalone, and private server. If running Altium Designer for the first time or the 100th time, and you find that you're not able to create new files or open existing ones due to the menu options being grayed out, this is an indication that your installation is not properly licensed. To properly license your installation of Altium Designer, go to the User Control drop-down menu at the top right of the workspace and choose License Management. First, we will cover the activation of an on-demand license. The on-demand license is a license that is hosted by Altium in the Altium Cloud, which requires internet access to use. Using the Sign In link, providing your Altium Live credentials, and enabling the checkbox verifying that you have read and understand the warning will allow you to select Sign In, connecting your installation to the Altium Cloud, and load all of the licenses available for your organization. Select your on-demand license and then click Use. Now that there is no warning regarding not using a valid license, and an indication below reading you are using one license, you will now be able to open existing Altium Designer documents and create new ones, as these menu options will no longer be grayed out. Select the on-demand license and select Release. Now let's activate the standalone license. While my machine has access to the internet, and I am signed in using my Altium Live credentials in Altium Designer, I can also see the standalone licenses available for my organization. Select a standalone license in the Standalone section and select Reactivate. Select Yes in the Activate Standalone License dialog, acknowledging the network message. You will now be able to open existing Altium Designer documents and create new ones, as these menu options will no longer be grayed out. When you have an Altium Designer installation on a machine that does not have access to the internet and needs licensing, select the license and make use of Save Standalone License File, saving the license file to your desired location. Move the license file to the likes of a USB flash drive so you can transfer it to the Altium Designer installation on the machine that does not have internet access. I have signed out and deleted the standalone license file to create the default state, hence my menu items being grayed out. Now use Add Standalone License File and navigate to the location you have transferred the license to. Select it and then select Open, which then enables you to open existing Altium Designer documents and create new ones. There may be instances where you do not have any machines running Altium Designer that have a connection to the internet for you to download the license. In that case, the license file will need to be downloaded by your Altium administrator from Altium Live via a web browser. On a machine that has internet access, open a web browser and go to altium.com. Click Sign In the upper right corner and sign in with your Altium Live credentials. Being an Altium Live administrator for your organization, you will see the dashboard link next to your name at the top of the page to access several tools to view and manage your account. Within the Altium Live dashboard, access the Licenses tab. Find your standalone license and click on the name heading with the gold font color. Then click the Activate link on the next page. At the bottom of the page, you can select a version of Altium you wish to activate the license for. Select Altium Designer 2018 and then click the OK button. Save the license file to your desired location. Move the license file to the likes of a USB flash drive so you can transfer it to the Altium Designer installation on the machine that does not have internet access, and make use of the Add Standalone License File option in the License Manager. Navigate to the location you have transferred the license to, select it and then select Open, which will then enable you to open existing Altium Designer documents and create new ones. For the private server license type, you are required to establish a connection to the Altium private license server accessible over the local or company-wide network system by entering the details of the server machine that is hosting the licenses. To do this, select the Set up Private License Server button. Here in the Private License Server Setup dialog, you have the option to enter the server name or the server address. Upon entering the server name or address, you will need to enter the server port for the OK button to become available. Enter the server port and press OK. Now that you have a connection to the Private License Server, right-click on a license in the list of licenses hosted by the Private License Server and select Use, which will then enable you to open existing Altium Designer documents and create new ones. In summary, we have gone over how to use an on-demand license, activate a standalone license, download and transfer a standalone license file to an installation without access to the internet, and how to connect to the Private License Server to make use of private server licenses. Thank you for choosing Altium Designer.